Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to highlight mouse cursor. Open any browser, then type google.com and click enter. Then type RW designer cursor, click enter. Open first website, click search bar, then type highlight mouse cursor set. Then click search. Here you will see mini mouse cursor. Download the file of your choice. Click download. Open download file folder. Extract the zip file. Then click start menu. Click settings. Click device. Then click mouse. Click additional mouse option. Then click pointer options. Click browse. Select the mouse cursor that you have downloaded. Select the cursor that you like. Click open. Then click apply. Now let's see how to move the default cursor of Windows. Select none. Then click apply and OK. Thanks for watching.